In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off focus modes on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any iPhone that you have. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen, and you're going to see focus as one of the options, which is going to be like under your rotate and under your notification bell. So what I want to go ahead and do is click on it. And like, let's say if I'm on Do Not Disturbed or anything else, all I want to do is if any of them are white, like so, all I want to do is literally just click it again, and then that's going to simply just turn it off. And of course, if you don't want to turn it off entirely, but you just want to customize one, press the three little dots next to one of them, and then I can have it on for a certain amount of time, or I can go to the settings on it and then change, configure it basically, change any of the settings for it. And of course, if I want to delete one, go to the bottom and it's going to say delete focus. So I could go ahead and do that as well. But yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.